Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is 5th chapter, Algebraic Expression and Identities. Students, what is that algebraic? Algebra is one branch of the mathematics, yes, which contains about that variables and constants, and we will discuss in this chapter. So algebra is one of part of the arithmetic. Okay, so algebra is also one of branch of the mathematics. Okay, students, where we will study that variables, constants, that means unknown numbers we will study also, we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, that before already in previous classes, 7th class already you have studied that what is the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means that expression which contains variable and constants or combined with variables and constants with our fundamental principle, that is fundamental connection, that is what is that basic principle, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That means students, what first of all we have to get the idea what is the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression, what that you have to get idea first. Algebraic expression is nothing but that one expression which contains that variables as well as constants. How they will contain, how the variables, how that constant will combine, now by addition, either subtraction, multiplication or division. Anyway, if one constant with one variable will attach or connected, that expression is called as algebraic expression. Suppose friends, I will write, suppose 7. This is not an algebraic expression because it is 7. There is no variables. Okay, friends. But if you write like this, that means here one variable. That means variable means what? That English alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, any one letter. So this is constant term. Numbers are called as constant term. Constant. So if the variables and this is variable and this is numbers. Okay, they are connected by here. What is that connection? 9 into there. That means 7 into x square. If I write it 7 plus x, this is also one algebraic expression. Why? Now because x is one variable connected with one numbers. So students, we will study in this chapter. This is called as algebraic expression. Algebraic expression means that expression which contains the variables and constants by connected with the basic principle or fundamental principle with addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. That is called as algebraic expression. Okay, so let us see that, friends. And first of all, you see that the definition, friends. Algebraic expression is the combination of the variables and constants connected by fundamental operations. Fundamental operations means generally addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Therefore, is called as fundamental operation. Okay, or basic principle. Observations here. 3x. This is also one algebraic expression. Why you should say? Put the question why? Because here one 3 there, one x is there by multiplication. 3 into x. 3x means 3 into x. 4x y. That means here also plus is there, here multiplication is there. So this combination with the plus and multiplication. This is minus is there, multiplication is there. This all are multiplication is there. This is division is there. So these are the basic operations with the variable and constants relation is there. Okay, students. So these all are called as algebraic expression. What is the algebraic x? This is not algebraic expression. This is one letter variable only. One letter we can say. But if you write it 3x, it is an algebraic expression because one constant term with the multiplication is there. Okay, students. Now, first of all, that before already I told you there are so many terms are the combination of the variable and constant connected by the fundamental operations. So whatever the algebraic expressions in that contains some terms, friends. We will discuss about that. Algebraic expressions contain different terms. Terms means that variable, constants. So many things are there. So many related terms are there. We will discuss in this chapter first. Then after we will go for that our problems. Okay. So first of all we will discuss about the terms. In the algebraic expression one related things will come, that is called as a term. Okay, next we will discuss about the constants, we will discuss variables in this today, coefficients, degrees we will discuss. But before that, first of all we will discuss about that what is the term related to that algebraic expression. In algebraic expression, terms are the elements separated by plus or minus sign. Did you understand, students? Terms means it is algebraic expression which are separated by plus or minus sign. You should observe here, friends. Suppose I am writing this one example form. How many plus sign is there? Here only one plus sign is there. Okay, that means plus sign, this is an algebraic expression separating two terms. That means this is one term, this is one term. That means how many pluses are there? Extra one terms are there. We have to see. Suppose I am writing, friends, here observe, x plus y plus z. That means the plus is separating this x, y, z. That means these are the terms. So this is one term, this is one term, this is one term. But I am writing x, y plus z. How many terms? It is only two terms because this x, y is multiplied. So multiplication we cannot count. Only the plus, okay, or minus. If I am writing 3x minus y. So how many terms are there, friends? Two terms. That means the terms are, this is one term, this is also one term. That means the terms are separated by plus or minus, plus sign or minus sign. That is called as a terms. Okay. Next example, students, observe here. I have written that they may consist of variables and coefficients or constant. They may only variables or may that constant terms or variable and constant. Whatever may be. I wrote here suppose x plus 7. So this is one variable. This is also one term. This is also one term. Okay, this is variable term. This is constant term. But here you should observe, students, example I have written 3x square plus 4y minus 7x square plus 5. Here what are the terms? Observe, students, this is one term, 3x square one term because plus is separating. This is also 4y also one term, 4y. 7xy is term, but don't say 7 is one term, x is one term, y is a term because it is multiplication. Only plus or minus separating, that is one term. 7xy also one term, 5 also one term. So this algebraic expression contain 4 terms. Did you understand, students? That means whenever you will observe that expression, how many plus or minus are there, you should see. If there plus is there, that means which two things are connected, that is the terms. If minus there, then two things, what are the two things are there, that is the terms. May it is variable, may it is constants. Okay, students, these are called as a, what is that, terms. Next we will discuss about the, students, constants. What is the constants? Now in algebraic expression, all the terms are there. Constants are the terms in the algebraic expression that contains only numbers. That means, students, observe here, I have written here, this is an algebraic expression, these are the terms. In this term, which one the only number? Number is this. So this is called as constant term. Did you understand, students? Constant term or constants. Okay. So which one only number? Only number. That means here 4y, but it is not a constant term. Okay. So it is a term, but it is not a constant term. So which one constant term? Only the number is called as a constant term. Example C, students. 3x square plus 2y plus 7. 3x square plus 2y plus 7. How many terms are there, students? How many terms are there? Can you identify? Yes. Check. This is one term. This is one term. This is also one term. So these are called 3 terms. Okay. These 3 terms. Which one is the constant terms? This is called as a constant term because only the numbers. Only the numbers in the algebraic expression, the term contains only the numbers, not variable number, only the numbers is called as a constant. Okay, the constant term is 7. Here answer I written, constant term is 7. Students, next variables. Another one related term to the algebraic expression is called as variable. In the algebraic expression, contain English alphabets are called variables. That means, students, in that algebraic expression some English alphabets are we are using or it is there. So that are called as variables. See students. Example that see 3x square plus 2y plus 5. In this the English alphabet what are they? X is there and y is there. So x and y are called variables. Suppose I write it a square b plus 3b square. In this is an algebraic expression. What are the variables? Variable is a and a b are variables. Okay students. So I hope you have understand about that. What is the algebraic expression? What are the terms? What are the variables? And we will see this. We will discuss about that. What is the coefficients of the algebraic expression? We will discuss in the later in the next video. Okay students. Thank you all of you.